This version of the North American F-100D Super Sabre was flown by the 107th Tactical Fighter Squadron at Selfridge Air National Guard Base from 1972 to 1978 and was airlifted to Selfridge and presented to the Air Museum during the 1984 Air Show and Open House. The F-100D Super Sabre was a single-seat jet fighter that served as the backbone of the U.S. Air Force's tactical fighter fleet in the 1950s and 1960s. Part of the legendary Century series of aircraft, the F-100 was the first American fighter capable of sustained supersonic flight in level flight. It was developed as an advancement of the F-86 Sabre and played a crucial role during the early years of the Cold War. The F-100D, introduced in the mid-1950s, was an improved version of the original F-100A, designed primarily for fighter bomber missions. It featured a larger wing, an upgraded avionics suite, and the capability to carry a wider range of air-to-ground ordnance, including bombs and rockets. This made it more versatile in combat compared to earlier versions. Powered by the Pratt & Whitney J57 turbojet engine, the F-100D could reach speeds of over Mach 1.3, with a top speed of approximately 850 miles per hour. It had an operational range of around 1,970 miles with external fuel tanks and could carry up to 7,040 pounds of ordnance. The aircraft was also armed with four M39 20mm cannons, giving it formidable firepower in air-to-ground engagements. The Super Sabre saw extensive action during the Vietnam War, where it was used for close air support, strike missions, and combat air patrols. Despite its speed and firepower, it suffered from reliability issues, particularly with engine failures and structural weaknesses, leading to a high accident rate. The F-100D was gradually replaced by more advanced aircraft, like the F-4 Phantom II, but it remained in service with the U.S. Air National Guard until the late 1970s. Despite its challenges, the F-100D was a key transitional aircraft in military aviation history, bridging the gap between subsonic and supersonic jet fighters and laying the groundwork for the modern multi-role fighters of today.